Welcome back to XCAR. Today, we're diving deep, like a submarine exploring the Mariana Trench, into the all-new, the undeniably captivating 2025 Honda Accord. But hold your horses, because we're doing something a little different. Today, we're keeping our gaze firmly fixed on the outside, the sheet metal symphony, the sculpted artistry that makes this sedan a head-turner. We're talking exterior, pure and unadulterated, so buckle up, because we're about to embark on a visual journey, a celebration of design and evolution. Feast your eyes on this front fascia, a bold statement, wouldn't you say? Honda has clearly embraced a more assertive design language, and it starts right here with this grille. It's not overly aggressive, mind you, but it exudes a sense of confident sophistication. Notice the way the sleek upper element flows seamlessly into the LED headlights, creating a unified and modern aesthetic. These aren't just any headlights, they're likely to feature Honda's latest lighting technology, offering enhanced visibility and a distinctive light signature, something that makes the Accord instantly recognizable, day or night. Speaking of lights, take a closer look at the intricate detailing within these clusters, the sharp angles, the precise arrangement of the LEDs. It's a testament to Honda's commitment to quality and attention to detail. And see how the daytime running lights, those elegant strips, accentuate the car's width and give it a planted, stable stance. It's a subtle touch, but it makes a world of difference in terms of visual impact. Now, let's step back and admire the Accord's profile. This is where you really get a sense of its refined silhouette. The roofline has a gentle slope, hinting at a coupe-like elegance without sacrificing rear passenger headroom. A delicate balance that Honda has often masterfully achieved. Follow the character lines that run along the sides. They're not overly dramatic, but they add definition and a sense of movement, even when the car is standing still. Notice how the lower door sills are sculpted, adding another layer of visual interest and perhaps even contributing to aerodynamic efficiency. And what about these wheels? The design is contemporary and complements the overall aesthetic of the car. The number of spokes, the finish, the size, all carefully considered to strike the right balance between style and performance. And while we're not delving into the mechanicals today, the wheel design often provides subtle clues about the car's intended character. Whether it leans towards sporty agility or refined comfort, these seem to suggest a harmonious blend of both. Camera moves to the rear of the car. Host. As we move to the rear, we're greeted by a clean and sophisticated design. The taillights are a key element here. They often form a distinctive light signature that helps identify the car from behind. Notice the horizontal orientation, which visually widens the car and contributes to a sense of stability. The subtle spoiler integrated into the trunk lid adds a touch of sportiness without being ostentatious. It's a mature and well-executed rear design. Just like the headlights, the taillights showcase intricate detailing, the way the light elements are arranged, the subtle textures within the lenses. It all speaks to a level of craftsmanship that Honda is known for. And see the subtle chrome accents, they add a touch of premium feel without being overly flashy. It's a delicate dance between elegance and modernity. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the overall flow and harmony of the design. From the front to the back, there's a cohesive language, a sense that every line and curve has been carefully considered. This isn't a design that screams for attention, but rather one that exudes a quiet confidence and understated elegance. It's a design that will likely age gracefully, a hallmark of many successful Honda models throughout history. Speaking of history, the Honda Accord has a rich and storied past, spanning several decades and multiple generations. Each iteration has built upon the success of its predecessor, often setting new benchmarks in the midsize sedan segment. While the design language has evolved significantly over the years, certain core principles have remained: a focus on clean lines, functional design, and a sense of enduring quality. And you can see echoes of that heritage in this 2025 model. While it embraces modern design trends, it retains that fundamental sense of balance and sophistication that has always been a hallmark of the Accord. It's an evolution, not a revolution, a thoughtful progression that respects its lineage while looking firmly towards the future. Let's delve into some of the finer details. Notice the placement of the door handles. They're integrated smoothly into the bodywork, contributing to the clean side profile and potentially even improving aerodynamics. And what about the mirrors? They're not just functional, they're also designed to complement the overall aesthetic, often incorporating features like integrated turn signals for added safety and style. Depending on the specific trim level and powertrain, and while we're not talking specifics today, you might find subtle differences in the exterior detailing. For instance, A hybrid model might feature discrete badging or a unique design for the charging port. These subtle cues often hint at the technology that lies beneath the surface. While we're strictly focusing on the exterior, we can still glean some insights into the potential performance characteristics of the 2025 Accord. The sleek profile and subtle aerodynamic enhancements suggest a focus on efficiency and a smooth driving experience. The stance of the car, the width of the track, these visual cues can hint at its handling capabilities and overall stability on the road. And of course, the badging, the iconic Honda logo, a symbol of reliability and engineering prowess. It's a subtle but powerful reminder of the brand's heritage and its commitment to quality. The specific trim level badging can also offer clues about the features and performance on offer, though we won't be diving into those specifics today. The color of a car can dramatically alter its perceived character, and Honda typically offers a range of sophisticated and appealing exterior paint options for the Accord. From classic neutrals to more vibrant hues, each color accentuates the car's design in a unique way, highlighting different lines and curves. The choice of color is a personal one, but it plays a significant role in the overall visual impact of the vehicle. One can often see subtle influences from other vehicles or even broader design trends in the automotive world. While the 2025 Accord clearly has its own distinct identity, it likely incorporates elements of contemporary design language, perhaps drawing inspiration from other Honda models or even the wider automotive landscape. It's a continuous evolution, with designers constantly pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. The exterior design of the 2025 Honda Accord is clearly aimed at a discerning audience, those who appreciate sophisticated styling without being overly flamboyant. It's a design that appeals to a sense of maturity and practicality, while still offering a touch of modern flair. It's a car that looks equally at home in a corporate parking lot or cruising down a scenic highway. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the exterior artistry of the 2025 Honda Accord, from its bold front fascia to its elegantly sculpted rear. Every element has been carefully considered to create a cohesive and appealing design. It's a testament to Honda's design philosophy, a blend of modernity, sophistication, and a nod to its rich heritage. The exterior of the Accord is more than just sheet metal. It's a visual statement, a promise of quality and refinement. But what do you think of the 2025 Honda Accord's exterior? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to XCAR for more in-depth car content. We'll catch you in the next one.